Alright, the retractable garment rod from Allied Brass. This thing right here can be installed all over the house and provide use in almost any room. The way it installs is it needs to go into a wall where it has the depth to be able to accommodate all that space. Alright, so you can't just plop it in the wall anywhere right in the middle because it'll shoot out the other side of the wall. And we're going to see what I mean by that. So come follow me. So when you have a wall, like this wall right here, right, you can see how if you stuck it in the wall, it's going to shoot out the other side. Right? You know, when you have it out and you're using it, no big deal. But when you put it away, it's going to stick out the other side of the wall. Needs to be installed in a wall like this, where you can see if this were installed in the middle, all of this would be sitting inside the wall, and you'd have no problems. So that's how this product works. And once you understand how it works, people end up putting these things all over the house because they're so useful. You get home with your dry cleaning, you doing your laundry, you need to dry your clothing, you want to hang a towel to dry near your towel bar. You don't want to put wet towels on your towel bar maybe. You put your robe on there, you're getting ready in the morning, you hang up a couple of garments, whatever you need, this is it. Now the only thing is you need that depth of wall. So we do have another product called the retractable wall hook that is shorter but can be installed in any wall location that's hollow. So it doesn't need the depth of wall to be installed. But it's just got a little bit of hanging space right there. So that's it. Retractable garment rod, retractable wall hook from Allied Brass. Great products. Hope you love them. Thanks.